Trustwallet is a mobile app that allows you to manage your cryptocurrency, and it has a Web3 browser you can add so you can explore decentralized applications like PancakeSwap. This video will show you how to set up Trustwallet in the Web3 browser, and in the next video, we'll walk through how to buy crypto on Trustwallet using PancakeSwap. To get started, download the Trustwallet app from Google Play or the iOS App Store, then click Create a New Wallet. Once you accept the terms of service and privacy policy, you'll have to acknowledge that if you lose the recovery words that are about to be given to you, you'll lose access to your wallet. Your recovery phrase is an extra layer of security, so even if a hacker has your password, they won't be able to access your account without your recovery phrase. It's important to keep this somewhere you won't lose it, so I recommend either writing it down on a piece of paper and keeping it somewhere safe, or storing it in a password manager like 1Password. In the next step, you'll verify your recovery phrase, and then your wallet setup is complete. The last step in setting up the Trustwallet app is adding the Web3 browser so you can access decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap. To do so, open up Safari and enter this URL, hit go, then when it asks you to open this page in Trust, click Open. This will add the browser option in the menu at the bottom of the Trustwallet app. From here, you can access exchanges like PancakeSwap, and the next video will show you how to use PancakeSwap on Trustwallet to purchase Binance Smart Chain tokens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.